Hello everyone, a very happy new year to all of you. This is your first tutorial after winter vacations. In this tutorial, we are going to start Chapter 11, Introduction to Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. That means today we will start learning a new software. Students, whenever we want to present our ideas and opinions to a large number of people, we use presentations. These presentations can have text, pictures, videos, audios, many beautiful and interesting animations and transitions. All these things make our presentation very interesting and helps us to capture the attention of audience. These presentations can be created in many softwares. Many softwares are available that can be used to create these kind of presentations. Presentations can be used in schools for teaching, and presentations can also be used in companies or offices in meetings to present our reports and product ideas or any other things. There are many uses of these presentations. Let's learn the names of a few software that can be used to create these presentations. The first software is Microsoft PowerPoint. Second, Lotus Freelance. Third, Apple Keynote. And the fourth one is OpenOffice Impress. All these softwares can be used to create presentations. But the most popular of all these is Microsoft PowerPoint. And this can be used to create very beautiful presentations. Microsoft PowerPoint is a presentation software that comes as a part of Microsoft Office package. Like you had learned Microsoft Word to type documents, to type letters. This software was also the part of Microsoft Office package. Same package, Microsoft Office package also offers a software to create presentations, that is Microsoft PowerPoint, that can be used to create presentations. The initial name of Microsoft PowerPoint, that means in the beginning its name was Presenter. PowerPoint was not the name of the software, its name was Presenter. This Presenter software then renamed in 1987 as PowerPoint. That means the Microsoft PowerPoint got its name in 1987. Previously, the same software was known as Presenter. After 1987, it is renamed as PowerPoint. What are the various uses of this software? First of all, this software can be used to create presentations that I am telling you. And these presentations can have text, images, music and videos. And the same software can also be used to create beautiful photo albums having music or recorded sound. You can give beautiful effects to your photo albums. You can collect various photographs, add them to the presentation, add music, and you can create albums. Various important terms that are related to this software. First of all, presentation. What is a presentation? A presentation is a collection of slides, various individual slides. Slides means, what do you mean by slide? Individual pages in presentations. That means whenever you are having your books, in each book you are having separate pages, single pages. All these single page is called slide, and when we combine all those pages, this is called presentations. That means collection of slides is called presentation, and a single page in a presentation is called slide. And next term is slideshow. What do you mean by slideshow? The sequential display of slides on full screen. That means when we create presentations, when we design our slides, we run them. on the full screen. They automatically run on the screen. That run on which all the slides are displayed one by one on full screen, that is called slideshow. Now, what are the steps to start PowerPoint? How we can start? Steps will be same as you start MS Word. First of all, click on Start button. Yes, then click on All Programs. In All Programs, you will find Microsoft Office folder. In that folder, you will find the option of Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. Click on that. Opening the window, you will get this kind of window will open in PowerPoint. As in Word, you will get a full page on which you just cursor appears and you just start typing. In this presentation software, you will get this single page. As you can see in the middle, this is called slide. Now let's learn the various parts of this window. What are the various parts? How we can define them? The first part that you are watching now, that is title bar at the top of window. Every window will have a title bar at its top. This title bar will have three buttons on the right hand side. One, minimize button to minimize the window. Then maximize or restore button. And the third one is close button to close the window, right? In every window you will find either it is MS Word or Paint or Notepad or My Computer window, whatever window you will open. In every window you will get a title bar at the top, and on the right hand side you will find these three buttons. Okay. Now in the center, what you are watching on the title bar, this is the name of file that in which we are working and the name of the software. The name of software is PowerPoint and the name of file, by default name of file is presentation 1. When we save the file, we give it a name, so that name will appear here, but by default a new file will have a name presentation 1. Okay. Now on the left hand side of the title bar, you will see these few buttons, these small buttons. This bar is called Quick Access Toolbar. Quick Access Toolbar has various buttons. The first button is Save, then second is Undo, and the third is Redo. These three buttons are displayed by default on every Quick Access Toolbar. Other buttons can be added or removed, but by default there are three buttons available on Quick Access Toolbar, that is Save button, Undo button and Redo button. Okay. Now below this title bar and Quick Access Toolbar, what will you find? This is your ribbon. Yes, in this ribbon you will have the various tabs: Home, Insert, Design, Transition, Animation, Slideshow, Review, View, Recording and Help. All these are the different tabs, and in each tab you will find the different options to work in a presentations. Okay, and all these options you can see, all these options are divided into various groups. Here you can see, for example, a clipboard group is there, slides group is there, font group is there, paragraph, drawing, editing. That means this is the home tab selected, and in this home tab you are finding a various groups, and in all groups various options are there that can be used. Now at the bottom of window, what is there? This is status bar. Okay, this status bar is at the bottom of every window, but the options on the status bar will differ according to the software. Now in this status bar in PowerPoint, what you will see, first of all, slide number and total number of slides. Here you can see slide 1 of 1. Slide 1 is the number of slide of 1, that means the total number of slides. If you are having 10 slides, so it will display slide 1 of 10 if you are working on first slide. If you are working on third slide, it can display slide 3 of 10. That means 10 is the total number of slide, third is the slide on which you are working. So here the number will change according to the total number of slides and the slide on which you are working. It displays slide number and total number of slides. Now on here you are seeing the view buttons. These view buttons can be used to change the view of your presentation. Here by default this is the normal view. You can change the view. We will learn it later, but just remember that on the status bar you will find the various view buttons. Here 4 view buttons are available. Next to that is zoom slider. Zoom slider to zoom in and zoom out your working area. If you want to make it big, you can zoom in, you can increase the zoom, and if you want to make it small, you can zoom out. You can decrease by clicking on this minus button, and you can increase by clicking on this plus button, or you can also drag the slider to left and right to increase or decrease the zoom. Now in the center, this white area, this is your slide. Okay. Now let's revise the various components or parts of PowerPoint window. The first we learned is title bar at the top of window. Second was quick access toolbar, which are having buttons for commonly used commands like save, undo, redo. The commands, the options that we use very frequently, those buttons are available on quick access toolbar. Third one was ribbon. Ribbon has two parts, tabs and groups. All the options that can be used in a software are displayed in ribbon. Bottom, status bar. At the bottom of window is status bar. And the last one is slide. So various components of the PowerPoint window are title bar, quick access toolbar, ribbon, status bar and slide. That's all for today's tutorial. In the next tutorial, we will learn how we can add text and images to your slides to create presentations. One important thing for all of you, there are many practice questions are given in e-content. Do read the e-content very carefully, write answers to those questions in your rough copy only and learn them. Also learn them. Do not write those question answers in your fair copy. Those question answers are only for your practice. So write them in your rough copy and learn them. Thank you.